it was getting too difficult to scroll when I was doing it on the computer, so I'm going to do this on paper. Black cards. Remember that I have the clubs and the spades that are all black, and that's 2 sets out of 4 sets. And so that's 2 sets out of 4 sets, which is a half. Half of the entire deck is black. Half of the entire deck is red. Face cards, which are the kings, queens, and jacks. So there's 1, 2, 3, and there's 4 sets. So there's 12 out of 52, which is 6 out of 26. Oops. 6 out of 26. That's 6 out of 26. Which is 3 out of 13. And there are 3 out of the 13. Okay? Each suit has numbers 2 through 10 and an ace. Well, all of them. Then there's 10 out of 13, because the rest of them, it's 1 through 10, which is there's actually 40 out of 52, which is going to simplify to 10 by 13. This says the probability of picking a red card. Well, there's 26 red cards out of 52. There's also half of them are red. Picking a spade. That's 1 out of 4. Picking a 5. There's 4 out of 52, which is 1 out of 13. Heart or club, 2 of the suits out of the 4 suits, and half of the deck is a heart or club. A king, well, picking a 5 or picking a king, these are just different names. It's 1 out of 13. Black or red, this is also black or red, and half of all of them, every time I pick, they're going to be black or red, so that is 100% certain. I have a bag of marbles. It contains 1 green, 2 blue, 1 yellow, 3 purple, 3 red. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do green, blue, yellow, purple, red. And remember, it's yes over total. So my total is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 total. How many possible outcomes are there? Count the number of marbles. 10. How many marbles are in the same sample space? 10. Probability of picking a blue. There are 2 blues, which is my yes, out of my total. Simplified is 1/5. Not red. Not red, not red, not red, not red, not red, not red, not red. 7 out of 10. Green. Only 1 out of 10. Not blue. Not blue, 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 not blue. 2 out of 10. Oops. Sorry. 8 out of 10, which is 4/5. So notice 2 out of 10 is blue, which means the knots are 8 out of 10, and that's all of them. Purple. Purple, purple, purple. 3 out of 10. Blue or red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 out of 10. Half of them are blue or red. This is theoretical probability. Yellow. 1 out of 10. Orange. Are there any orange? Nope. Not pink. That's not pink, that's not pink, that's not pink, that's not pink, that's not pink. Not pink, not pink, not pink, not pink, not pink. I am certain to pink, not a pink one. This is certain. This is impossible. When you are doing your sample space, when you are doing your probability, I would write out your sample space where you can count them and ask the question. And when I'm asking the questions, when it says not red, that's not red, that's a yes, 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 and then I count them because it is yes over total. That is a simple event probability lesson.